mad again.
Had rump roast, but I'm still trucking hungry. She is voluptuous, yeah, more than chunky. She only raps if the beat is funky. She'll bite at your neck cause she's scary like Chucky. Look at her butt, look at her rump, it's a meatloaf rump roast. It's fat and it's thick, it's tan and it sticks to the ground. Cause it's poopy, it's rusty, it's musty. Look at it go, look at it wagging the wind cause it's fat like yo. It's crusty. Meatloaf, rump roast, 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 meatloaf, rump roast. Give me the meatloaf, give me the meatloaf. She has no belly button, but she sure has a belly. You know it's smelly, make some room for the second helping. She'll puke on the floor thinking it's the second coming. She's so bloody and juicy, cause she has a raw spot. What can happen? What goes on when we're not home? Millie, we just don't know. Millie has big fat flow. Look at her ear hat, look at the rump roast, look at the bean toast. Make some room for the second helping, yo! It's crusty. Rump roast. Give me some food. Give me some rump roast.
You gone mad again.
Meatloaf, rump roast, 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 meatloaf, rump roast. Give me the meatloaf, give me the meatloaf. Rump roast. Had rump roast, but I'm still trucking hungry. She is voluptuous, yeah, more than chunky. She only raps if the beat is funky.